non-vegetarian food is harmful, whereas vegetarian food is so health-giving. And on top of everything, the human digestive system is actually designed for vegetarian food. Are you all aware of that? How human digestive system is conducive to vegetarian food? Like carnivorous animals and herbivorous animals. The carnivorous animals have very short intestine. Why? Because meat becomes putrid. Meat rots very quickly. And when it rots, it becomes toxic. Therefore, the system is that absorb whatever you have to absorb and then excrete it quickly. Whereas herbivorous animals, they have to transform the herbs, like leaves and grass and so forth. And it takes longer time to transform into that cell into body cell. So that's why they have long intestine. And also the vegetables and fruits don't become putrid or toxic so quickly. Like you let an apple rot or a cabbage rot in your room, you won't even notice it. Whereas if you have a lump of meat rotting, you won't be able to live in that room. So now the process of digestion is actually sort of rotting. So just consider meat rotting in your stomach and an apple rotting in your stomach. You can well consider the difference. So human beings, now the herbivorous animals have long intestine. Now proportionately, human beings have the longest intestine proportionate to the body. 6 times the length of the body. Carnivorous animals' teeth structure is very different than herbivorous animal. And human teeth structure is akin to the herbivorous animals, excepting Dracula. These are the things, you can go on and on actually, scientifically observing. Like, have you seen how a carnivorous animal drink water? At least have you seen a dog drinking water? Yeah, with the tongue it splashes the water into the mouth. Have you seen how a cow drinks water? It sucks the water, right? Siphons the water. And consider how you drink water. So after taking all this into consideration, the simple consideration is, are human beings meant to be herbivorous or carnivorous? By nature's arrangement. But the thing is, another thing is that by nature's arrangement, human beings are omnivorous. They can eat anything. It's up to their choice, left up to their choice. They can be a vegetarian, they can be a non-vegetarian, they can, so that really, human beings are actually omnivorous. So because the choice has been left to them, it's up to you. You decide whether you want to benefit or whether you want to lose.